What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I just received a package that we're going to install on the truck. I'm super excited about this one. I've been looking and researching for this particular type of item for a while now. Hopefully this brand fits how they advertise, and hopefully it works out. But before we unbox it and I show you what it is, like and subscribe. I'm gonna go grab a snack while you guys like and subscribe because I'm starving. I haven't ate yet today. But do that, I'm gonna go grab a snack and I'll be right back for the unboxing. So I'm back from getting my snack. I hope you guys subscribe because this is not the only truck part that I have coming in. I've got more installation videos coming up. This one I was just excited about, just because it's going to completely change the interior of my truck. I'm going to open this up real quick. And I bought these myself, so I'm going to be fully honest about them. These are seat interior covers, they're leather. I seen the CAT skins. Those are the only brand that I can find that seem to have a good quality fit for the GMC Canyon. The only issue with those is that they are $1,500 to $2,000 and they're complete reupholstery, so you order what you want and you have to take it to a shop to get it installed. And so I've searched seat covers and all this and that, and this is one of those brands that kind of just came across as an Instagram, TikTok ad, and so I was like, well, I'll give it a shot. These were a little over $500 for the set, and they're supposed to be a tight fit, and they are from Seat Cover. I don't know if you can see that, Seat Cover Solutions. These are supposed to be a tight, snug fit, completely cover the seats. They only have 4 different options for the 23s and ups, Canyons and Colorados. You get beige, which is what I ordered, red, black and red, 2 different black and red options, and then black. And I opened it up. It comes in this fancy bag that we are going to unzip. And the reason I ordered beige is because the truck is tan, the Desert Sand Metallic. And I was hoping that beige is close to this color. So far, it looks like it might be. This looks like one of the head covers. And this is one of those ones that it slides over the seat and it buckles to it, so it should look factory. And it looks like, I don't know if you guys can see that, that color is pretty close. I'm happy with that. The shade is slightly different, the tone, but it's the same lightness. But we're going to unbox some of these, and I'm gonna I'll put the headsets in there. I think the back seat is kind of a universal one, but the front one should fit snug. But I'm actually gonna pull all my stuff out of the seats, like my toolbox and the dog seat cover. I'm gonna try to install these without taking the seats out. I really don't wanna take my seats out. If I have to, I will, but I'm gonna see if I can install these with just keeping the seats in there. So give me 1 second. I'm gonna take everything out of my truck and then we're gonna get these installed. Like I said before, like and subscribe. I've got more truck stuff coming. I paid for these myself, so this is gonna be a completely honest review. I didn't wanna dish out $2,000 for cat skins. $500 didn't seem bad to me for some leather seat covers if these fit snug enough and they're not loose and wrinkly and, you know, baggy on the seat. So if these work out, I would say this is a good option if you're like me and don't want to spend $2,000 on completely redoing your interior, especially if you have cloth seats. If you have leather seats, I don't know how these would slide over leather seats, but this is just to redo my cloth interior and get leather seats back. I like leather seats, but I wanted kind of a cheaper vehicle. So yeah, let me pull the stuff out of the truck and let's get started on this. And I just wanted to show you guys up close how close the paint is. You can tell the tone is a little different. We'll go out here in the sunlight. You can tell that it's not perfectly matched up, but with these being on the inside, it's close enough for me. I'm happy with it. You're not gonna get anything the exact same color, even if you did spend money on cat skins. The color is gonna be off, whether with whatever you order. If you are gonna spend $2,000 on cat skins, personally, I would see if they'd give you a sample cut of a color you want. But yeah, we're gonna get these installed. So I'm gonna install this first one with you guys, and then we'll kind of see how that process goes, and then I'll skip ahead to everything installed, and we'll talk about the fitment and everything and see how it looks. So let me go grab these and get these installed. It looks like they have these put together. This looks like the bottom of the seat with the bolstering. This is obviously the top. You got your pockets back here. This is actually feels really soft. So we'll slide this over, and then this will depend. But yeah, let's go ahead and I need to move my seat. I can already tell you it might be easier to put these on with the seat pulled out, but at the same time, I feel like that's a lot of extra work to pull the seat out. So. That was simple enough. So what I didn't realize is there's actually a zipper on one of these sides to make it looser, to slide over easier. But I got it over anyways. But let's go ahead and add the bottom and the headrest. So that we can put this on. So we're gonna undo these clips. Obviously these ones will be shoved between the seats. Don't over tighten. I think I just broke my clip. I did break the clip. So don't over tighten the seat bottoms. That's freaking annoying. All right, let's put the headrest on. All right, we got this first one installed for the most part. It seems like, unless I have this headrest wrong, I mean, we'll find out. I'm gonna install the rest, but I mean, it looks fine. It's not as snug as I would want it. I think they just have a general size that fits, you know, you put in your vehicle and they say, okay, send these size seats. The color's good. It's nice and soft. But I'm gonna install the rest and we'll see if maybe I messed something up, and we'll see how it looks at the end. Okay, I'm stopping the installation to share some good news. This company has thought of people like me and provided extra clips. So we're okay. Even though I broke one, we're good. But just remember, there is only one extra clip. So keep that in mind. Don't break more than one. Okay guys, so I got everything done. It took me about an hour. Could have taken me a little quicker once I figured out how to do it. I have some pre-thoughts, and then we're gonna talk about that, and then we're gonna go for a drive and see how they feel to drive, see if they slide around. But I just want to point out that the front seats look fine. Like I would definitely, you know, I think the front seats are worth it. The back seat, for starters, they forgot to send me the bottoms. Secondly, they're just a flap. These don't even fit good. To be honest, I will probably take these off and just throw my dog cover back in here. Just because the back does not fit that great. Front fits good. I kind of got everything tucked back in here so it looks a little better. They feel kind of airy, to me, which, I mean, maybe that's just a universal design to make sure everything fits. Are they worth the $500 I spent? I would say save your money on getting the back seat. If you want everything to match, I don't think this set is worth $500, especially with how the back fit, and they didn't even send me the bottoms. Can't get them to respond. But they did ship these out quick, so I'll give them that. Front seats are nice. Front seats fit good and snug. I'm not worried about the front seats. If I had to do this again, I would have just ordered the back seats for the $250. I mean, not the back seats, the front seats for the $250. Whatever it was, I think they're like $250 for just the front. I would have just went with the front. I'm just gonna throw my dog cover back in here, because I mean, maybe if I had the bottoms it would look better, but even the headrests, they look whack. Not as snug as they advertise. I don't think it's worth the price they're asking. I mean, I don't know how much this material costs. It's definitely not a more expensive material, I can tell you that. It is nice and soft, probably will be easy to clean. It does match the truck, which I like. With that being said, do I regret buying it? No, I just regret buying the back seats. Will I get cat skin in the future? Probably, especially if they offer a similar color, because I want to keep the theme on the inside of the truck. But you know, let's hop in the truck, let's go for a drive and see how they feel sitting in them and see if they're comfortable. Okay, so now that I'm sitting in them, this is the first time that I'm sitting in them going for a drive. They actually do surprisingly add some comfort to the seat. They do add thickness. Like when I sat in it, I realized I had to lower my seat a little bit because they kind of sat me up a little higher. They're actually really soft. They do feel good, I'll give them that. I think honestly, like now that I'm sitting in them, the front seats are definitely worth it. Maybe if you have a different vehicle, the back seats might fit differently. Maybe this is just because you can't really cover the seat, because the back seat in these Canyons and Colorados don't fold down. So I'll give them the benefit of the doubt that that's the reason why the back seat is so terrible, because you can't really put a fitted cover on the back seat. That being said, they still didn't send me the whole back seat set. They missed two pieces. So maybe if I had those pieces, it would look better. But my dogs are always back there, so with them not really fitting, the seat cover's not really fitting, I think I'm just gonna take the back seat out and just put the seat cover back in. But I'm definitely gonna keep these front seats in, because they match the truck, they are comfortable. I'm not big on this cross stitching. Cat Skins even does this cross stitching stuff, but they have a little bit more customization. But if I would say, if you're looking for something temporary to cover your cloth seats, I would go with just the front. Like if I had to do this again, I would just do the front seats, because my goal is to have this temporary. I do want to do the cat skin fully custom seats eventually. So if you're like me and this is temporary and it's not in your budget right now to get cat skin, you know, $250 for 2 front covers isn't bad, in my opinion. I mean, they're fully fitted, they're snug enough, they're not sliding around or anything. If you're looking for something permanent, save your money. That's just my opinion. These are not, for me, these aren't meant to be a permanent seat replacement. They just aren't there. I'm sure this company is probably still working to get there, but the $500 I spent for the front and back, I'm disappointed. Just with the back seats not fitting. The front seats are fine. I wouldn't have been disappointed if I had just bought the front seats, but because I spent over $500 for the front and back, I wanted them all to fit decent. But like I said, if I did it over again, I would just buy the front seats. They are comfortable. It adds you know, some color to the truck. It matches close. It really is super close to the paint of the truck, so I'm happy with that. So it at least matches the truck. That being said, I mean, overall, I would rate this product like 5, 6 out of 10, just because those back seats suck. And I paid with this stuff my own money. Like, they didn't send me this stuff. I just saw them and figured I'd give them a try. I don't know. Like I said, if it's temporary, not a bad price for just the front seats. If you have a different car, back seats might fit better. If your seat can fold down, they'll probably be more snug. With that being said, for if you have a Canyon in Colorado and you follow this channel, either save your money and get cat skin or just get the front seats. That's just my opinion. I mean, if you have kids that are messy in the back, maybe the back seat would be good for you because it would cover the cloth a little bit. But if you're like me and you just got dogs, I'd rather just throw my dog pet cover back there than have the unfitted weird covers back there, just the flat piece. I don't know. I'm very disappointed with the back seat. Front seat, I'm not. I think it just hurts that I paid over $500 and just the 2 front seats are the only ones that fit. So, and the headrest, like I said in the beginning of the video, these are just general sizes. Like, yeah, they have you put your year, your make, your model in there, but they just pick sizes that are closest to what your seats are, and that's it. I mean, Cat Skin is really the only place I found that actually has fitted reupholstery stuff. So if that's what you're looking for, save your money, go with Cat Skin. Hopefully I can save up my money and do Cat Skin in the future. But that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like and subscribe. It'll help me out. It'll help me not feel so bad wasting my money on this back seat. But you know, what can I do now? I've installed it, contacted them. We'll see if they let me return it or they send me my missing pieces. So I will see you guys in the next video. And like I said, I have more parts coming, so I'll see you guys.